The FDA reviewed a study that showed the vaccine was 90.7% effective in preventing COVID in children. The parents I spoke to tonight say they have been waiting for this day.
I think it's great that it's an option.
The FDA giving the green light to kid-sized doses, just a third of the amount given to teens and adults for emergency use, and millions of children could be eligible for vaccinations as early as next week. Dr. David Bannock, an infectious disease specialist of UConn Health, says this is a big step in the healthcare world.
Children are vulnerable to getting COVID-19, and children do get severe illness from COVID-19, even requiring hospitalization. And we also know that children can potentially be sources of spread to other children and adults.
Several parents telling Fox 61 they would never want to have their children suffer the long-term effects of COVID versus the short-term side effects of the vaccine.
I just look at some of the, unfortunately the kids who've had some of those long-term effects, and it's going to affect them the rest of their lives. And unfortunately, we're losing children to it. It's just, I can't imagine that happening to my kids.
100% my kids would get vaccinated.
Nicole Sarsha says her decision became more definite when her son went to a birthday party.
And he got sick. This was like over a month ago. So it was like the one time I finally let him go somewhere, and he got us all sick. The whole house was sick. It wasn't COVID. So it's still going to happen, but I think it's very important to get vaccinated and stop the spread.
Pfizer plans to ship millions of vials of the pediatric vaccine to doctors' offices, pharmacies, and other vaccination sites. Once the CDC issues its ruling, eligible kids will get 2 shots 3 weeks apart. Vaccinating this age group can help provide families a peace of mind, especially with the extra contagious Delta variant making its rounds.
We know that variant is highly contagious. And any opportunity that we have to provide additional protection and help curb the spread of that variant is going to be key.
Before the vaccine becomes available, the CDC must recommend it, of which they will be meeting next week to talk more about it. Reporting in Farmington, Carmen Chow, Fox 61 News.